What a go my people, welcome back. Let's make some sorrel, one of my favorite drink as well as the most popular drink in a Caribbean household this time of the year. So let's jump straight to it. I'm using dried sorrel and you can use whatever brand available to you. Here I have some dried orange peel, cinnamon, cloves, and a lot of ginger. These were already washed, so here I have my wonderful sous chef grating the ginger. Now you can choose to grate the ginger or pound it. Whether dried or fresh, make sure to give the sorrel a rinse just to remove any debris or dirt. Here I'm adding 9 cups of water to a pot. I'm going to add the cinnamon, clove, dried orange peel, the ginger, and bring this to a boil before adding the sorrel. So as mentioned earlier, I'm going to allow this to come to a boil for about 5 minutes before adding the sorrel. Here I'm adding the sorrel. I'm going to give this a quick mix and allow it to boil for an additional 2 minutes, after which I'm going to turn the stove off, cover the pot, and allow the sorrel to steep overnight. So this is the next day. The sorrel nice and rich. So what I'm going to do now is to give this a strain, then add my sweetener. Make sure to sweeten this to your liking, and if you know anything about sorrel, it can take a lot of sweetener, so just sweeten to your liking. I want to make sure this is nicely refined, so I'm going to strain it again. Allow your sorrel to chill before you serve it, and if you've never had this drink before, you should definitely give it a try. It's simply amazing. And that's it, my people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Seasoned greetings to you and yours. And until next time, bless upon yourself.